What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. You heard me right. Here is the Baseus transparent wireless charger. I am a big sucker of the wireless charging. I mean this is a 7.5 and 10 volt. Let me open the box for you. Okay, here we go. Let me keep the box aside. Let me take out the charger and the cable because I wanna focus on the charging. So here is my socket. I'm gonna plug the cable inside. Here we go, and then let me remove it. I'm a little bit worried because the size of the coil is small. This is transparent, the size of the coil is small. Okay, and then here we go. Okay, we got a green light. So here's my now here is my, can you see, Sony Xperia XZ. This one is a case. Normally Sony Xperia Z is always a thick phone, I mean, as you can see. So will it charge? Okay, in the middle it's not charging. No. Okay, you need to put down. It's working because size of the coil is small, as you can see. Now it's charging. Yeah, can you see? Now it's charging. I mean, okay, for example, I took the phone off. I wanna put it back. Okay, it's charging, the green light. Okay, again. No. Okay, I need to put like this again. Okay, again. Okay, yeah. So charging, for example, again. Yeah, I'm charging. Okay. The coil is small. So here is the first look at the transparent. I mean, as you can see, you can look it by yourself. I mean, it's a transparent. So can I recommend? Definitely, especially if you're iPhone user or any other phone, definitely yes. The Sony Xperia actually require a bigger, I mean, coil to charge. That's why, I mean, for example, I need to put like precisely to charge it. Now it's charging. Can you recommend this one? What do you think? Personally, I really like the transparent design. I mean, there's no doubt the transparent design is a killer design. This is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. And it was me, Jimmy, a geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.